Hello everyone, I'm going to show you exactly how to track email button click on your website using Google Tag Manager and send the data, especially in Google Analytics 4. It's super simple. Let's dive in. For example, right now, no tracking GA4 email tracking, then I have to live preview mode, I have to go website, what happened right now. Then I have to go this preview mode and go to connected follow light. And this is actually the website. So any other user come to follow directly go to the like the contact from page and then select actually this email from and coffee like that. This type of I have to go and see preview mode, what happened in the right now. Just wait 1 minute. And then select that email and go to and select click it's a no tag file right now, any no tag file actually, and then you have to see variable every variable you have to see ABST pasted, but if no tag file. So today I'm actually set up actually GA4 email click and find Google Tag Manager to actually GA4 and then go to actually new tag, duplicate it, number tag, and go to Google Analytics 4 and GA4 event ID, and you have to measurement ID. So I have already measurement ID input app, you have to see measurement ID constant variable you have to set up, and it's very important even name. If you look at even name, you have to see this is a button plug or the GTM link, but it's a standard and GA4 suggestion for this button click actually event email click button click and then coffee and the best. And then you have to see trigger actions. You have to just go to click and sound minimum and that link of my box, that link, and then you have to some URL, and then you have to see debug view, what happened, debug view, actually click test and click URL and not from. So go to click URL and then container equal and then. So this is actually see this is GA4 email click trigger and GA4 email click URL container not from, and then you have to save button and then trigger options 100% and then click and then you have to write here for the GA4 email tag and then say and then submit public and then continue and then go back. I think panel WordPress live preview mode, what happened actually. So go to preview mode and continue button, contact us from just waiting the loaded everything, and the go to contact from any user and then trigger. Okay, and then click actually email this is and click email from any users and let's see what happens. It's a then click in section GA4 email take already successfully firing in, and so go to directly go to actually Analytics 4, just waiting, and let's see actually email click button already fine. So and that is a super straightforward from now on. Every time please